Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best waterproof seat covers for Tesla Model Y that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're protecting your seats from sweat, spills, or pet hair, these options offer durability, style, and convenience. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Auto Youth Tesla Model Y and Model 3 waterproof polycotton seat cover. This seat cover is a one-piece design made from upgraded polycotton material that provides 100% waterproof and sweatproof protection. It's ideal for Tesla Model Y and Model 3 owners looking for a simple and effective solution to safeguard their seats from everyday wear and tear, including gym sweat, liquid spills, pet hair, and dirt. The design is universal, with a sideless fit that adapts to bucket and armrest-equipped seats. It's lightweight, weighing just 14.4 ounces, and features reinforced silicone grips on the bottom to prevent slipping. However, it's worth noting that this cover is not recommended for heated seats, which may be a deal-breaker for some users. Installation is quick and straightforward, taking only about 5 minutes with no tools required. While this product offers solid waterproof protection and is machine washable for easy care, it's more basic compared to other options on this list in terms of aesthetics and overall build quality. Ideal for those seeking a hassle-free, budget-friendly solution, it may not be the best choice for those looking for a luxurious upgrade for their Tesla interior. Pros include quick installation and universal compatibility, while cons include limited features and incompatibility with heated seats. At number 4, the PTYYDS neoprene waterproof front seat protector offers a tailored fit for Tesla Model Y and Model 3, spanning model years from 2017 to 2024. These seat covers come in a two-piece black design, exclusively crafted for Tesla owners who value precision and functionality. Made from high-quality neoprene material, these covers are both waterproof and breathable, offering protection from spills and scratches without compromising comfort or the heating functionality of your Tesla seats. The installation process is incredibly simple, taking just a few seconds. The head cover fits snugly, and the elastic rope ensures the seat cover stays in place without slipping. With a soft, elastic feel, these covers provide a comfortable user experience while maintaining a sleek appearance. Additionally, the brand offers a 90-day warranty, giving buyers peace of mind in case of any issues. While the PTYYDS seat cover excels in durability and ease of use, it's not as visually luxurious as some of the higher-ranked options, focusing more on practicality. Pros include efficient waterproofing, compatibility with seat heating, and easy installation. Cons include a lack of color options and a design that may not appeal to those seeking a premium aesthetic upgrade. At number 3, the Meganch dog seat cover is specifically designed for Tesla Model Y owners with pets. This custom-fit bench seat cover boasts an all-inclusive headrest design with retractable buckles, offering an integrated and luxurious look. Made from premium materials like 600D Oxford cloth, 210D polyester fabric, and TPU for waterproofing, this seat cover is built to withstand the wear and tear that comes with traveling with pets. The Meganch seat cover features non-slip anchors, adjustable elastic bands, and drawstrings to ensure it stays firmly in place, even when your furry friend is moving around. Cleaning is also a breeze. Just wipe it down with a damp towel or vacuum it for quick maintenance. Installation and removal take less than 30 seconds, making it highly convenient for pet owners. This cover is perfect for Tesla Model Y owners who prioritize protecting their rear seats from pet hair, scratches, and dirt. However, it's less versatile for non-pet-related use, and the custom fit means it's only compatible with specific Tesla models. Pros include excellent waterproofing, pet-friendly durability, and easy cleaning, while cons include limited use cases outside of pet protection and the need for precise seat measurements before purchase. Coming in at number 2, the Free Sue seat covers for Tesla Model Y offer a premium full-set solution, designed specifically for 5-seater Tesla Model Y vehicles from 2020 to 2024. These covers feature a custom-fit design that preserves all original seat functions, including airbags, armrests, and seat adjustments. The nappa leather material not only adds a touch of luxury, but also provides enhanced durability, waterproofing, and breathability. The installation process is user-friendly, with step-by-step guides and videos provided to ensure you can get everything in place within 20 to 30 minutes without removing the original seats. The semi-wrap design ensures a snug fit, while the foam-backed leather provides extra comfort and protection against scratches, spills, and fading. The free Sue covers are ideal for Tesla owners seeking both functionality and a high-end aesthetic upgrade. While the higher price point and heavier weight may deter some buyers, the quality and tailored fit make it worth considering for those who want a luxurious and durable solution. Pros include a sleek design, robust waterproofing, and custom compatibility, while cons include a slightly higher installation time and price. And finally, at number 1, we have the Leather car seat towel cover. This 2-pack, universal fit seat protector is the ultimate choice for active Tesla owners. Whether you're hitting the gym, running, swimming, or hiking, these covers are designed to shield your seats from sweat, dirt, and pet hair. Made from plush microfiber fabric, they wick away moisture while providing a comfortable anti-slip experience. Measuring 29.5 inches wide by 56 inches long, the Leather seat covers offer full coverage for your seats, making them perfect for both leather and upholstery interiors. They feature an adjustable elastic strap for a snug fit, and their water-resistant and machine-washable design ensures easy maintenance. Installation is quick and hassle-free, and the covers can be rolled up for compact storage in your glove box or trunk. The Leather covers excel in versatility, durability, and ease of use, making them the best overall choice for Tesla Model Y owners. While they may lack the luxurious appearance of leather options, their performance and practicality are unmatched. Pros include universal fit, superior sweat protection, and convenient storage, while cons include a less premium aesthetic and limited color choices. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.